In this video, we are going to be analysing Nvidia ticker NVDA. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start to push back to the upside? And as of right now, we actually have quite a big resistance zone. So the 137.75 is kind of 138 would be our statistical mean on the 6-month chart. But if we break that, then we do also have a gap fill at 145 and then another gap fill at 150. So really, within all this range, we do have quite heavy resistance because we expect to see pullbacks coming into those levels. But in time, again, we would expect these gaps to be filled because the majority of gaps do get filled. So if we start seeing some upward momentum, expect, if we can break the 138, a push at a minimum to 145. And again, if we can then break the 145 at a push, or kind of at a minimum, we would expect a push to a 151. Now going further out, we would be looking at a 156 resistance, and then from there our resistances are quite far out, being at $182, then going to 208, 225, 260, then going on to 270, 312, and a final level at 365. Obviously, again, a lot of these are very far off. If you're looking at the stock maybe in a 6-month year outlook, then these levels further out as ones we'll be focusing on. But if you're just looking for short-term swings or maybe even day trades, then really the key focus will be the 138, the 145, the 150, and the 156. And again, we'll be looking for the gap fills like we said earlier. Now onto the other side of things, what are going to be key supports on Nvidia if we start to pull back? So we have key supports at around $105 to around $95, which would be at both our first deviation on the 6-month and the 1-year chart. So if we start pulling back to this level, it will be hard to break it because obviously between that as well, you have the $100 psychological resistance. So to break below this will be quite hard. And even if markets are weak, it will probably hold this level for a bit. But that is still quite far off from where we are now. So if we want some earlier support levels between the 130 where we are now and the 105 support level already given, then we can pay attention to the 20-day chart on the right and the 10-day chart on the left. And we can then see we get supports at 122, 117, 112, and also another one at 105. So this just provides some more support levels if you're looking at them a bit closer. But these levels, only pay attention to them if we get there by Friday next week. If we don't reach those levels by then forget those levels and just pay attention to those longer term levels at $95, $100, and $103. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Nvidia. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on UPS.